Programming a key fob for your 2006-2011 Mercury Grand Marquis is straightforward. First, ensure all doors are closed and the vehicle is unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn the ignition from off to on and back to off 3 times quickly, ending in on. This puts the car into programming mode. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm successful programming. If you have additional fobs, repeat this step within 30 seconds for each one. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. This process works because it leverages the car's body control module, BCM, to recognize the unique ID of your key fob, thanks to the passive anti-theft system, PATS. If programming fails, start by checking the fob's battery, typically a CR2032. A weak battery is a common cause. You can also use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes, such as U1262, which could indicate a more serious issue. For high-mileage vehicles, BCM failure is possible, requiring professional repair or replacement. Also, make sure there is no interference from nearby electronics. If the fix is not that simple, consider that the car could have a modified BCM or aftermarket alarms, as it could trigger false theft alerts. Regarding trends, while modern cars use advanced digital systems, older models like the Grand Marquis see a rise in aftermarket universal fobs and even smartphone adapters for remote control. While mechanical keys might eventually be phased out, DIY programming remains a cost-effective solution for maintaining your Grand Marquis key fob functionality, saving you money compared to dealership service costs.